Good morning, students. In last chapter, we have discussed about what is domain name system and search engine optimization. Now, I'm going to discuss what is web hosting. Web hosting basically deals with putting the contents of your website on a web server, hosting your website on your own server. That could be an your option. Means if you want to host your own contents of your website, web hosting basically provides a space over the internet where you can host your contents. Means you have a large of data. That contents you can host your on your own server. That could be an option, but that will be in very inexpensive rather than you are hosting on your yahoo.com or google.com. Buying a server space or renting a complete server space from an internet service provided, that is called your web hosting. Websites are hosted in large data centers. They are basically a home or a platform where you can host your contents. Thousands of websites, like this is a rack, and this is we are putting the website inside it. Each rack within the data center holds a number of blade servers, like website on a different website on a single server. What types of hosting are available for us? There are basically four types of hosting available for us. First is shared hosting, which is the cheapest and most basic. Which in this share hosting, only 100 or even thousands of other websites can use this hosting. Reseller hosting means one can use and he or she can resell its host. Next is VPS hosting. It is similar to your reseller hosting, except the account does not use a shared server. It is basically a virtual private server available on your internet to host your web content. Next comes to dedicated server hosting, where one account can sole your occupancy of a server, physical server. It is a basically flexibility and power, but most expensive hosting, this one is available. What does hosting cost? These are different costs available for shared hosting. This is Neuro 5, for reseller 15, 50, 100. There are different prices available for different types of hosting. Now, what are the different? Now, I'm going to discuss about what are the different platforms for hosting. There are basically two platforms available for website hosting, web hosting. One is Windows or Linux. You can use either Windows or your Linux. Somebody are Windows lover who can host their website on Windows. Some are Linux who can host their website on your Linux. Next comes to what is LAMP. It is the short name of Linux, Apache, uh, shorthand name of a typical hosting platform that includes Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. All those four software elements are open source because Linux is your open source. So this can we can use for a LAMP. How popular is the LAMP? What sort of web host to use? These are the corporate hosting, which are the examples available. Now I can show one example also. Suppose this is a web hosting. How we can website building tool, website databases, email account, so many. It is a basically a cloud or a space available on internet where I can host my all data on this. Right? Okay. What types of hostels do we use? How do we I know a hostess is an good or not? How you can recommend this one is good or this one is unlikely bad? Okay. How can you give it rating? You can give it rating when it is easily to assess and authorize, that can be good, or minimum requirements, that can be good, otherwise it will be what you will look out of for good hosting, that bandwidth, databases, server statics, web space, mailboxes, security, and maintenance. Okay, this is the lecture. We are going to discuss in another lecture.